Electric cars are becoming an increasingly popular alternative to gas cars. But as they change the car industry, they're also changing how first responders work. News 8's Pauline Lee is live in our studio following the story.
Electric cars first hit the streets just a couple years ago. With the perks of being more environmentally friendly and being a big money saver in the long run, because they run on electricity, the safety measures both drivers and first responders have to take are very different than dealing with a conventional car.
This car is 273 pounds of torque, and it is a blast to drive. Hold it in for just a second there.
Revolutionizing the car industry, electric cars are appealing to the driver looking to reduce their carbon footprint.
Everybody wants to go efficient. They want to, burn less fuel, use less foreign oil. This is a car that's going to do that.
Even with the environmental perks and being the safest car in its class, electric car engines are completely silent, and that comes with a hefty set of responsibilities.
To be more aware of your surroundings when that is happening. On the side of the column here is a pedestrian alert, so as you're going through, if you see somebody who's walking in front of you, you give it just a little push on the button there, and it's just a friendly chirp saying, hey, I'm here, I'm coming through, don't walk in front of me.
This car has a 12-volt battery just like any other car, but it also has another battery running at 355 volts. That's enough power to kill someone, and that's got firefighters concerned.
Well, if we were to accidentally cut a wrong wire, that's a possibility of getting electrocuted. Now that process is completely different with a hybrid vehicle. It has a high voltage system, which two things now we have to worry about, making sure that they're shut off and the power is isolated, so it makes it a little more challenging for us. Responding to an emergency with an electrical car also means firefighters have to take extra precautions from the start. They don't really give us any indications that they're on. A typical gasoline vehicle, you can hear the engine running. The vehicle's still in gear. If the driver takes their foot off the brake pedal unexpectedly, the vehicle can actually take off, whether it be forward, reverse, and that it'll do so without warning to us as responders, so we got to even approach these vehicles differently. The La Crosse Fire Department has trained for dealing with electric cars in the past. As new models roll out every year, the training will just be an ongoing process. It's something we really have to be more aware of, and that, like I said, technology always changes and we have to adapt with it. Now, there is also the concern of water getting into the electrical wires when driving in the rain or if the car is submerged in water. There are safety measures in place with these electric cars to make sure no sort of electrical shock happens.
All right, thank you, Pauline. Now, since the engine is silent, first responders say drivers should double check to make sure their engine is turned off before leaving their vehicle.